Okay, what is going on, CYPRX advanced YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Guys and gals, I hope that I have been saving your portfolio. If you have not watched this YouTube video and you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're still following these bullish moon boys on YouTube and Twitter, constantly seeing a depreciation in your portfolio, save yourselves. Click the little subscribe button on the CYPRX YouTube channel and watch our content. Here, you guys can see a day ago, we uploaded a video where I mentioned to you guys I was in XRP shorts. I gave you guys some bearish targets. You guys can go watch this video. I want to play it for you all just to show you. Proof is in the pudding. This video literally says, stop following the retail herd. I put out price predictions to you guys. I even tweet out bullish and bearish signals for you all to follow and pay attention to. Nothing that I constitute here is financial advice, but again, proof is in the pudding. We love putting our money where our mouth is here at CYPRX and showing you guys that we know exactly what we're talking about. Here was an update that I had mentioned to you guys. Update, do not follow the herd. We are not in a bull run yet. 62 cents, which is a weekly high, needs to be broken and held firmly above in order to confirm a bull run back to $1 on XRP. If at any time the bears pick back up, 25 cents is my next area of interest for a lower low, because the market is creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs consistently, time and time again. We are not in a bull run yet until we break that 62 cent threshold. And at any given time, we could see a market rollover into 25 cents if that threshold is failed to be broken above. But I want to avert your attention to the charts real fast to show you guys that price has melted below 40 to 39 and into 38 cents. And I just want to play a video for you guys, the video that I uploaded the other day, showing you guys that we know exactly what we're talking about, basing logic off of our trades. We're not magicians here, okay? We have a strategy that works based off of trading logic in the market, based off of what the banking institutions are most likely going to do. Everybody out here is trading based off of emotions and based off of what Twitter and YouTube is telling you. And 9 times out of 10, those individuals are the ones that we are taking their money. Why? Because the banking institutions are taking their money, okay? That is how we trade at CYPRX. We seek to take retail traders' money. Time and time again, I show you guys this, okay? So here, I just want to play this for you guys, sit back and listen, and then we're going to go over a quick price analysis on XRP. I'm going to give you guys some updates, and then I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy your weekend. Lots of uploads this weekend, and I hope that you guys have an amazing weekend yourselves, okay? So here, sit back and watch this video. However, in my personal opinion, we are making equal lows at this point. And if the market cannot capitulate and show us a sign of bullish momentum to start to break fractal structure highs and make higher lows, most likely we are going to roll over back down to the 40-cent psychological level where the banking institutions purchased from on XRP the previous day, which is generally in this vicinity. Maybe even if we break that level, we could see a market dump back down into the 37-cent psychological level, where we can see banking institutions going over the area of interest that I told you guys in previous breakdowns where I entered in at, the banks could push price action all the way back down into. And you guys can see New York session purchased from around 37 cents here, same thing here, same thing here. So if they do dump the market, you guys have to understand, what could they potentially be doing? Guys, look at what I drew for you right here. A little tiny market reversal, faking people out, and then the market dumping again. Guys, look at price action right now. I just want to show you all how accurate my analysis is. Again, not to toot my own horn, but to show you all time and time again that we do not pop smoke here on this YouTube channel. I love watching all of these price predictions. I've watched so many YouTube videos in my time in the market, and I can tell you right now, I could name 10 YouTubers off the top of my head that have video updates from when I told you guys that the market was going to sell off on June 1st, where they took their Fibonacci, drew it on their price action charts, and gave you guys some type of bullish price prediction. Smash that thumbs up button if you know exactly who I'm talking about, guys and gals. Smash it, please and thank you. Spread crypto awareness. Let's wake people up. I circled this area for you guys. I told you guys that price was not done dumping. I drew a little tiny reversal on for you guys like that, and my charts look something like that, okay? I'm trying to save people's portfolios here. Nothing that I constitute here is financial advice. Again, smash that thumbs up button. Let's give you guys a little bit of a price action analysis. If we see the market capitulate from this area and we get a market reversal, we know exactly what they were doing. They were buying at a discount from when they bought previous. However, if the 38-cent psychological level does not hold again, guys and gals, most likely what are we going to get on XRP is a nice dump beneath all the liquidity from people that bought beneath these lows. Okay, that is where I'm looking for the market makers to come back into on XRP. Now remember that discounted price on XRP is not guaranteed, nor is it guaranteed in the rest of the cryptocurrency space. So make sure that you are firmly dollar cost averaging in at lows, utilizing a strategy that works. We dollar cost averaged into some positions here, into some positions here. I broke those down for you guys on the YouTube page. You guys can go back and check out this previous YouTube video. I believe it was this one right here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, go back, check that video out on some dollar cost averaging positions that we put in on XRP in these two general vicinities where our portfolio is still in the blue, okay, for our long-term holdings from where we bought in at price action. Anybody that bought this top chasing the market because price went up to 42 cents or 43 cents, wherever we executed at, okay, all we were simply doing was grabbing liquidity above these highs, which we had mentioned to you guys and gals on the YouTube channel, okay? We literally told you all that this is what we were expecting to happen, a liquidity grab above these highs and a market break back down into the lows, okay? This is the market makers building liquidity before they make a run to new all-time highs. They have to do this time and time again. I've told you guys multiple times, the bull run is not coming yet. When the bull run comes, you all have to understand you're not going to be able to catch it. It's going to literally smack through the lows, okay, because price has to go lower to go higher, and it's going to freaking pump. And when it pumps, it's going to be such a big pump that it's going to break 50 cents. It's going to break 56 cents. It's going to break 62 cents, and it's going to firmly hold above that after retesting it. And that is when we know that a bull run has started. Until then, all of these little tiny baby price swings that are making all of these YouTubers FOMO out of the mouth and send you bullish tweets and bullish updated YouTube videos, you guys, all we can simply do with the market sentiment right now is patiently wait on our hands, hope for further discounted prices, and properly buy in for dollar cost average positions at lows. Do not buy. If you're looking at a range right now, okay, this is again just logic and not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing, okay? Take the advice or leave it. Again, trade at your own risk. But what I do is when price is in a trading range, okay, and I see that price is in a trading range, maybe here, okay, maybe here, all right, what I simply aim to do is I look at where price action started the trading range at a low and where price action started the trading range at a high. And I do not buy price action unless price is at least 50% discounted from the high of that trading range, okay? So just to give you an example, 50% of this trading range would be about halfway down. So where are you seeking to dollar cost average in this trading range? At the lows, okay? That's just logic, guys and gals. Again, not financial advice, but how many people, you guys can go back and fact check me, every single time one of these little tiny bullish pumps happened on XRP, there's so many of them. Look, bullish pump, bullish pump, bullish pump, bullish pump. These are all excuses for YouTubers to make bullish price predictions on XRP, to take their Fibonacci on the higher time frame and show you guys some unrealistic $1,000 XRP target that could potentially come into fruition, but in freaking 2030, you guys, okay? You want to learn how to properly trade these markets and get an edge right now? Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. The link is in the description down below for the mentorship. Where do I think XRP is going? I mentioned to you guys that if we break that 38 to 37 cent psychological level, most likely we're going to come for these lows. You guys can see my alarm set right here at 33 cents. I have another alarm set at 30 cents. I have another alarm set. Oh, I need to move this one down at 25 cents. These are all my buy limits on XRP. If we melt through the 25 cent psychological level, again, none of these price predictions are guaranteed. Lower price action is not guaranteed in the market. However, we still have a bearish market sentiment where I personally think that we are going to come and fill in some imbalances to the left-hand side on the higher time frame, anywhere between the 30 cent, the 25 cent, and the 19 cent psychological level. We need to be watching Bitcoin closely. If Bitcoin breaks $28,000, all of that price action is definitely coming into fruition. Let's be mindful, okay, that if price cannot break this low and we get a nice bullish run from this low, most likely we're going to see a bullish move back to the highs. I don't know why I just did that, okay? But we're going to see a bullish move back into the highs. And we need to be then paying attention to that 62-cent psychological level, which is here in this area. You guys can see that this is the down leg. This is only on the 40-minute chart, but you guys can clearly see this whole entire area of price action from A to B needs to be broken in the form of bullish order flow. This high right here at around 64 to 62 cents. You guys here. All right, here's the bearish leg right here that we would need to break above, which is again from 60 to 64 cents. The medium of that threshold is 62 cents. That is why I told you guys on Twitter that we need to break above that 62-cent threshold to confirm any type of bull run on XRP. Because why? On the higher time frame, that would be us making a new higher high. Okay, so be mindful of that. And if this price action does not come into fruition, then we have to accept that even if we do see a bullish pump into these levels and we fail to do this type of price action and break above and hold, we could see the market grab liquidity from a high and dump one more time. Okay, so be mindful of that, guys and gals. Again, smash that thumbs up button. I've shown you all time and time again how we're saving people's portfolios out here. Nothing that we constitute here is financial advice. We trade with logic. We execute our trades with a trading strategy that allows us to trade in tandem with what the bank and institutions are doing based off of logic and based off of properly interpreting price movements in the market and reacting to them at the current moment in time. As always, blessings to you guys. Lots of video uploads happening this weekend. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Be cognizant, be aware, and I'll see you guys in the next video breakdown.